Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one multiplied by number 1 and this one. Now we need to focus on this one. So we need to use about integration by pass. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dv, that is about ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, and that is about the integration. S with number 1, we have s with 1 over s square, we have 1 over s. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So this one and this one we cancel. So we just have only this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.